got a bit of wire and then put it through this one, another bead. That's the effect I wanted. What I did worked okay, so I wanted to wrap around twice, and then I did that trick again. So that, just finished it off like that, rather than trying to make it sharp and fill in that last bit of gap. Just, if you've got one of those cut burrs, I think that looks quite neat, especially when that's polished, that'll be fine. So that, I think, is more ideal. That's stronger and looks more well made, and also it just pushed down on the bead a little bit, so that's more secure. It still rotates a bit, but doesn't rattle up and down like my one. So I'm going to leave mine as it is. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to unravel that so I can give you a length above a length of wire that should be sticking above your bead. So I'm just unraveling this one. I'll straighten out the wire and I can give you a measurement for the minimum amount of wire you need. The amount of wire you need to finish it properly, following my instructions. But really, you should have a bit more, then you've got bits to hold on to and wrap it around. So you need minimum 20 mil sticking up above your bead, but I would say actually as a minimum have 25, and then you've got something you're holding on to and wrapping it around, give you a bit of extra length. And also there's a little spare bit to cut off and neaten up, so finish up a nice one. So yeah, 25 mil above your bead I think is good, and then you can follow my original instructions and end up with that double wrapped finished good one.